I'm going to do a piece of camera.
I just so Daryl is here, and this is some of his work. Look at this. This is absolutely fabulous. Absolutely fantastic. Just freestyle.
I like it.
Freestyle. It looks really good. Wow, that's going to be brilliant on the Metamorphosis garden at Gardeners Worldwide. We'll just go over to the other side and have a look at the work that he's done on the other side, from this side of the garden. And again, you can see this is Metamorphosis. It starts with a caterpillar, goes through to the chrysalis, and there it is emerging into a beautiful butterfly. And this is Daryl, the street artist. He's done some fabulous work here today. That's the proboscis going round the stylet of the butterfly. There you can see the brain is really looking good. Lovely Cercis forest pansy in the foreground. We've got the boxus, and then you've got the black Otheophogon, and we've got a load of Dryopteris and moss, and that's looking brilliant. And then over to the right hand side of that one is a contorted purple hazel, and then we've got rocks in the foreground and bung moss, and that is looking fab. And then as we go through, we've got the gabion, just got to put the top on the gabion. We've got hydrangea aspero with the verbena rigida underneath it with some nice cobbles. And so the whole garden is really beginning to take shape. Rachel there doing a few finishing touches. Looking good. That border's looking good. And we'll go around and have a look at the other border. Doing the pointing in, the bit of jointing here, just finishing that off at the entrance, which looks starting to look good. We'll just go through the butterfly gates. And oh gosh, my feet! I've just got to watch my feet. And here we go. We're in the garden, and who's in there? Oh, Jim's just disappearing. And you can see there, that's the water feature. Lovely Prosia persica here. It goes round to the gunnera. And you've got a lovely Acer pennsylvanicum. See a Physocarpus. You've got the tiled walls, and you've got a lovely Catinus grace into the corner. And then look what Adam has been doing here. He's been doing some beautiful sort of work there at the back of the gates, going through. And then we go into the brain, which is looking great with the rocks and the bung moss and the Muhlenbeckia at the foreground of that one. And then into the Trachlospermum, butterflies up the wall, Cercis at the back, the lovely purple Cercis, Ceanothus here on the front, and then a lovely border really, lovely with the Artemisia Paris Castle. We've got eucalyptus, we've got verbenas, bonariensis, we've got Stipa tenuissima, we've got the lovely butterflies in there, and then back to the middle.